Alright, here we have Joseph on the rod again now, reeling in. There's Sam, his brother. He's come all the way up from, where have you come? You live?
Surrey, Guildford.
Do you live there as well?
Yeah, close.
Oh, you don't live up this way anymore?
No, not anymore.
No. You used to live up this way, didn't you?
No, I've got a holiday home.
Oh, right.
So
you stay up there a little bit?
Yeah, it's West Wales.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
When we travel down that side,
right.
that's where we
Oh,
stay.
damn.
So.
There you go. Joseph, you kept that holiday home a little bit secret, didn't you? Thought he was going to do it for the boys then. You kept that holiday home a bit secret, didn't you?
What?
Kept that holiday home a bit secret. What do you mean? Look at what's that face meant to be?
I can't hear a word you're saying.
I said that holiday home you kept a bit secret.
What, the one in Wales?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got one in Pembroke.
Yeah. I do. When we going?
It's about half an hour away from the Pope Marks.
Is it? What Pope Marks is that, Joseph?
Oh, am I allowed to say that on camera?
Yeah, of course you are.
What one is it?
It's Christmas special. You've got to give everybody all the information you can.
What one is it? What one it is? It's the most popular one that I go to, the Big Ledge.
Rue.
Nope.
Well, everyone, come on.
What's the name of it now?
I don't know. It'll come to him by the end of the session. Come on. Everybody's looking for a Christmas present, look.
It's one of the most well-known marks. I hope there is.
Is it?
Yeah.
So what advice are you going to give to everybody for trying to find what you said without having to say the name? Because I don't know what.
Just don't go on your own, because if you don't know what you're doing up West Wales, it's just too dangerous.
It is a bit dangerous up there.
Always go.
Me and Gavin know about that. We got took into a mark up there, and it was a case of New Year's Eve at God knows what time in the morning, and walking for about 10 miles with boxes, and I never want to do it again. Never ever. So if I ever done it again, I'd stay overnight. There you go, guys. Let you cast it out down there again. Traps are set. Let's go. So Joseph's just remembered.
Stack pole.
There you go. He's got it all in one. It's a little bit way up from here, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can see that tide coming around that point there. So that mark over the side there, the guy was telling us that the cod wasn't, the British record cod wasn't caught from the left hand side apparently, it was caught from the right into the bay. So yeah, that's where it was caught. Sandalwood's good again?
Yeah, triple sandhill, just beef
Oh,
the
that's
bait
a nice
up a
bit of
little
bait elastic you got there, Joseph. What's that all about?
That's the Tronics Pie stuff.
Is it?
Yeah.
Bait tex any good?
It's not actually elastic, it's more latex.
Is it?
So you get more
Pull with it.
stretch
Yeah.
bait.
Don't need to use as much.
It is lovely bait to you.
You like it, yeah? There you go, boys and girls. Another little tip there for you. Mighty fine looking bait up. Doing it good?
Sam, come hold this, I'll go down. Come hold this, I'll go down.
Go in.
You going, yeah?
Blonde?
Yeah, it's blonde.
Just light.
Yeah, go down there.
Unless you get that net got the baity.
You won't get the net down there.
Huh?
Won't get the net down there. Yeah, it's down there.
Huh? great.
Yeah, dog just munched it.
Nailed it. My pliers there, mate.
Nailed it. I've got thingies in.
My pliers are there, long nose that. Top mark, innit?
Fucking right down, didn't
Yeah. Nailed it.
he? He come right around, didn't he? Got him?
I got that bottom look out.
Well, boy. Yeah. First way of the trip. Lovely.
Alright.
Hold him right out.
Good. Put him back, innit?
Yeah, get him, Mark.
Get on, boy.
First way of the trip. I'm gonna go over with him. Lovely. Yeah, I know. I feel like that. How deep is it?
Deep. That's a blonde.
That's a blonde. That's a blondie! Get on, Sam! Get it in, son! Get it in, son! Yeah, get some pressure on him. Keep it going back. That's it. Reel in. Pump it up. That's it, mate. Get him off the deck. You're well away, mate. Watch that line. Go on. Lift him. That rod's taking some there, boy. There. He looks like he couldn't, didn't he? The way you're going back into it. You can see how much pressure's putting in this fish. The whole of his body's going back in, putting all the weight back. Look, trying to get up. That looks like a good fish, mate. Go on, pump him back down. Don't give him an inch. That's it, mate. Go, Sean, I'm going to have to go down this next one.
Yeah, probably.
Come on, keep pumping, boy. Don't come back. Down.
Got to keep him. You've got to get him on the surface. Once he's there, you're all right. There he is. He's on the surface. Coming in curled up there. Yeah, it's falling. Yeah, he's got it. Let some line out. Right, come up now. Do you want to unclip the rig? Oh. Yeah, go on, reel it in.
Tail up. That's why it's fighting so hard. Okay guys, so we are approaching high water and it's kicking right off. I mean, we got Gavin first of all, a phone back Ray, and then Sam, we sat down and watched his rod just go buckling over the side of the cliff. He's managed to jump on it and lifted it, and the fish just stayed deep the whole way through. I mean, you can see with the footage, he was giving it everything. His back, I had my hand down like that, and his back was touching my back, the amount of pressure he was putting into it. But he was using the LT14 Evos. And they're like a C-set curve rod, I think. I've never cast one, to be honest, but they don't look like they're very stiff at the tip, so we had to give it all the work to get it through. But we were suspecting to see a big blonde come up, but it was a foul-work fawny, but it played a blinder down there, didn't it, Sam? Definitely showing an account for himself. Poor boy's rather retired there now, and then he swore. But no, we were here having a go. A few fish coming out. So best time to come now, hopefully, as the tide starts to swing round, so the fish come on. I mean, the guys around the corner, these have 3 blondes so far, a £6, £4 and a £13. So it hopefully can happen for us. I mean, what'll happen out here in a minute, when me and Gavin are, is it'll be like a whirlpool, and we're going to try and get our baits as close to that as we can, and hopefully they hold up and see a few fish out. It'd be nice to see a blonde each for all of us before we go home tonight. But well, it's one of them, isn't it? Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. Today we've had a few fish out, it's been a good day, and yeah. Don't mess up noise, Gav. Alright, here we have Joseph. Wait, what? Dropped it?
I'll set it back.
What are you playing at, mate? Come on, Joseph. You can't let him drop baits. What are we playing at here? Unlucky, mate. Joseph had a nice screaming run. Unfortunately, picked a bait up and done one. But I'm sure he'll find another one. Nice run though, wasn't it?
Is that my rod?
Yeah.
I think I've come across you.
Yeah, I think he's come across you, Gav.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. He's giving you false hopes there. Get on, Joe. That's a nightmare, isn't it? Joys of it though, unfortunately. Now's the time to get them though, isn't it? Lovely shot of Joseph there on the water's edge like that. You'd think you were in Norway.
So go down there, good one.
Lovely. The things I do for you guys, I'm stood here in November with a Christmas hat on, with everybody walking past thinking, what is he doing? But we're down here anyway. Well, a couple of knocks on the left hand side one, But a bit of bluey on there, just straight bluey. So it's been out probably about 15 minutes now. So I'm going to bring that one back in, and I'm going to go for a straight squid bait. I mean, we've been trying different things. I think Gavin's been going for sandeel and squid and bluey and squid. I've just put a plain one on to see if it makes any difference, to be fair. Sometimes just a straight squid can do the trick, innit? So always worth a try. But I'm going to bring this one in now and see what goes. It's absolutely perfect night. In fact, it's going to be quite cold tonight, though. Little weight there. Yeah, some weight there. Nothing big. I would go for an eel or a dog. I would say an eel. Or nothing. That's sweet. Someone's had a play with it, so I'll take him off. I've gone up to 7-ounce leads here a minute. They seem to be holding better. Right. Okay. So we can get this one all set up, like so. Little bait clip down on the imp. Right. Just want to open the mag up a little bit on this one. Let's get one out. Right, where am I going to cast from, Joseph? I have to go up, don't I? Unfortunately, I'm going to have to go up. So, might have to move, mate. Sam trying to get us all excited there in the background. That's the one. First time using these reels, so I've been playing around with the mag all day trying to get it set properly. So I'm off 3 turns at the moment. I don't like it when the lead's, especially at the moment, it's not hardly no wind, and I don't like it when the line's holding the lead back. I like the lead so the reel's slightly lifting and running on the edge, baby, running on the edge. Gavin bringing one in now. Hey, is he in? Couple of 40s. You go right side, mate. That's on.
Yeah, that's a fish. That's a blonde.
You on that camera?
Yeah.
So set my drag and I'll be down there, Gavin Fire.
Yep. You're right. I'll explain it in a minute on the camera.
Give up, son, give up! See you like a baby.
Yeah, blonde's coming across the top now.
Go!
Huh?
Pump it up, go, pump it up. Yeah, then they bring it. Blondies are forever! Lip hooked. That's what we come for. Fine Welsh blonde. Woohoo! Go do, mate. There you go. That's what it's about. Big or small, love more. You want to clip him?
Outside underneath the towel.
Lovely and dark. Well guys, that goes to show what you get over here. I would say, how big? 7 or 8 pound. It's quite thick.
Got scales there.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'll get the scales out, we'll measure, we'll weigh him. Right. I'm going to weigh this with the sling. These are ideal, cheapest chips, pick up, bit of fish care. I'm guilty for it as well in the past with it, but at the end of the day you want to try and look after.
That was.
Found. How'd you tear them again?
0.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Right.
I might go £8. No, yeah, I don't know.
Oh, bigger.
£9 free. Get on by. It goes to show they're quite a thick ray, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get my phone a minute and we'll take a quick picture. And we'll have return to find another day. Goes to show it's absolutely screaming off bite. Exactly what I love about the blondes. Get that backdrop in it, mate. Down as far as we can. And a quick farewell. Up that swell. Drop back down. What you can do, go as close as you can to the water. Fish one off the bottom of the day. Well done, mate. Simple bad stuff. Just that weight for now. Yeah, it might be weird. I don't know. Well, it's something now. What is it? Scrap doggy, innit? All right. Dogfish. Ow, ow. Right. Yeah, Jimmy. Had to be one dog. Had to be one. So let's get one up back out there, innit? What have I got here? I need to bait up. Need to bait up. A bit chilly now, isn't it? So the hat goes back on. Hey?
Nicely up.
Is it?
You can have the honours.
Sorry. Try this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
So the big picture?
Oh, a spot. On mine. Just had a bite.
Straight squid. Alright then guys, so not a lot happening now, to be fair. We thought we would get a bit more of a run, but so Gavin's had a fawn back and a blonde, Sam's had a fawn back, I've had one dogfish, and not a lot else happening, to be fair. So it's going into darkness now. We're going to give it around 3 hours down, I suppose. We've got another probably hour and a half, maybe a couple of hours really, and then before we make our way back to Devon. But the only thing we can do is keep trying. I mean, it's a perfect evening. I mean, the weather forecast was today was mental, and I mean mental. It was forecast 30-mile-an-hour northwesterly winds on XC, and BBC give it 7 to 8 mile an hour, and I am right in what I'm saying, because I always rate BBC more than I do XC, to be fair. But yeah, it's paid off for us. We've had a few fish out. It's been a lovely day. Can't ask for more than that, really. But no, for those of you what are looking forward to the European Open, we've got a few things coming up over Christmas, and then we'll have obviously the warm-up week next year for the main event itself. We're over there a week beforehand. We'll do some interviews and some general bits and pieces, get everybody all ready for the big one. For those of you who haven't fished the event before, highly recommend it. It's a fantastic, for some people, week away. For others it's a couple of days away, or for others they come up and fish the Saturday and go home, or fish the Sunday. Some people do what they want with it, really. There's been people what come up and fish after work Saturday, they come up and fish some flatty bass and go home. It's there to do what you want with, really, and it really is a fantastic event. I mean, it throws off some really good prizes, and that every year. You can do the team event, you can do the pairs event, you can do a lot of different events with it, really, and yeah, highly recommend it. It's something a bit different than anything we've ever sort of like done, really, because a lot of the competitions and that
there's nothing in Europe which is close to it. I mean, the expeditions in the hall, and it's just a great. The atmosphere is just electrifying, and the people that make that are the anglers. If I'm honest, the anglers are fantastic up there. They turn up on the Thursday, a lot of them, and they want to have a good time. They're in the clubhouse, and everybody's like all ready and waiting, and good vibes, and all keen to get out and try and catch a fish and win it. And it goes to show some people do, some people don't. I said, to be honest, it's nice to just be able to weigh in. I mean, you weigh in sometimes, and you've got some half decent prizes to win. For you don't necessarily have to catch loads of fish or massive fish, so it gives something for everywhere. Brilliant for the juniors, brilliant for the family, and for those of you who want to get away for lads and weekends and that, highly recommended. I mean, a lot of the guys stay in the bar till 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and then they're on the beach for 5 o'clock in the morning, sleeping until time to cast off. And yeah, you see some right states, and yeah, it's just a good one, and something I always look forward to. Nick as well. Nick said to say hello, and I'm sure we'll do a little video with Nick over the Christmas holiday. Rat chick ticking away there. Oh, can we get one out on camera? Be nice, wouldn't it? Tide's starting to pick up. I've got it slightly loose at the minute. Let's have a look. Absolutely stunning evening. We couldn't have asked much better than this. I mean, when we come up this morning, we were in 50-50 what the weather was going to be like because of different forecasts and stuff, and it's been superb. I mean, the wind was a little bit strong earlier on. It's sort of like died right off now, as you can tell by the sound. And yeah, it's been a good day. That's what fishing's about, really, isn't it? It's about getting out there with friends and having a good time. But the light's starting to fade away now, going to darkness. We will do some extra video footage and stuff, but of any fish we catch now. But I would just like to say, for myself and the rest of Sea Angle Adventures, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And hopefully for those of you who've had a good year this year and beat those PBs and stuff, I hope you do better on the next 12 months. And we look forward to seeing you all at the European Open 2024 for the 30th anniversary next year. So for those of you who are all going, we look forward to seeing you. For those that are not, always look into it. As I said, it's a great weekend away, and we hope to see you all there soon. Tight lines. So, Joseph, do you want to film this minute, Gal, or do you want to go down? Yeah. What do you reckon, Joseph? You told me blonde ray. Let me see the big girl then. Is it going to be a big blonde ray? By spending that rod, it's going to come down here, Gal, I think. Yeah, I'll tell you what. You got a headlight on, didn't you? Filming that, haven't it? You're filming it now? Yeah, just watch your fingers on the phone like that.
Yeah, I think so. Line it up, come on. Comes off, it comes off. Not overly big.
Get on, boy.
Boy, well, we nearly took a dip. There he is. Second blonde of the trip down with Joseph. And Wales has got an offer. Well done, mate. Paid off in the end there.
Well done, boy.
Alright, so we have Joseph with a £10.8 blonde ray. That's what we've come here today for, guys. And you got a chance of catching up well over £20 along the stretch of coastline, as we've proven before many a times. So yeah, there you go. That is a classic Welsh blonde. Just been about to return to fight another day. Well worth a trip over. A few fish out for the boys, and yeah, here we go. Right, so here we have Gav, first on casting the Zocron. How would you describe casting that?
Well, like a T12, mate.
Like a T12?
Yeah. Between the T12 and T1. Step in the tip, you know what I mean? I can feel it in the tip.
Loads of power in the mid.
Loads of power.
Yeah.
You know.
And light as hell.
Mate, those ones there, I mean, I know they're all classics, but
that there is a 20-year-old rod, isn't it?
Yeah.
Easy, probably older, isn't it?
Literally lifts me off the floor when I'm
Yeah.
casting it. But no, that felt, like you said, that felt exactly.
It feels like the SU to me,
Yeah,
was very similar between a T and a T1
I
and
think
a.
the difference being was, obviously with my SU had a little bit more whippiness in the tip.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Obviously, you felt the power in the middle, but
Yeah.
like whipped.
Whipped, yeah.
But this year still felt quite stiff.
Stiff come through.
All the way through.
Yeah.
So that's why I say it's a bit more like a T1 or a T12, but yeah, no, definitely I know what you're saying.
Lightness, mate.
Really
Yeah.
light, yeah.
Lovely. Came on. Bit of blonde.
Yeah.
He's a blonde wizard, isn't he? Bigger? It's the hard thing of where you're fishing. Down where we are, you can get down to the water, so you can land them. You never do that with a £20 blonde. Well, I would like to do that with a £20 blonde. To say you can is an understatement, but plenty of, I mean, I've analysed £20 deals up on witches, but let's see how big this is. It looks like he's struggling a little bit, so it looks like it could be a lump. Nah, never one. Never fish. Joseph, the blonde wizard, at its best. Perfectly hooked, straight into the bait. When we thought the tide was starting to ease off, we decided to call it a day, but no, the blonde wizard shows us again. Get on, Joseph.
Didn't even overbite with that one.
No, just sat there. Lovely markings. What a way to finish a day. And there it is, Barry Island at night. Look at that. All the fairgrounds are all shut and that, but arcade's still open, Oakley Fish and Chips. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, see you soon.